Welcome everyone to Vested Interests. This is Shane back again for another stock pick of the day, the last one of the week. It is Thursday. Actually, I believe it's the last one of the month. Tomorrow being the first day of July. So we're wrapping up June. We are going to take a look at Best Buy. Before we get into the video, why don't you do me a favor, hit that like button. Most importantly, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever we post any new content. You can do it. It doesn't cost you a thing, and it only takes a second. Thank you so much for that. Now let's jump right into the video. So Best Buy, I'm sure you're all aware of, it is a retailer. They sell a lot of electronics. Best Buy will open new outlet stores, so they are growing. They are all over the United States. They have quite a few. They're opening some of these new outlet stores. They have 16 currently, ranging from Monroe Valley, California to Kennesaw, I believe that's how you say that, Georgia, to Brockton, Massachusetts. They also have what they call their Geek Squad. Every new outlet would also have a Geek Squad, so they do help people with their electronic needs as well. Again, I'm pretty sure you're all aware of what Best Buy is. Most every major outlet or shopping center that I've seen will have a Best Buy for you to go in and purchase your new computers, new utilities, washers, dryers, TVs, that sort of thing. That's what they sell. If you want to know more information about them, check out corporate.bestbuy.com. That's their homepage where I pulled this information from. Now let's get into how they are performing. As you can see, they were down 2.84%. We are talking about Best Buy Company Inc., ticker BBY. They are a consumer discretionary, and I am seeing a lot of value in the consumer discretionary. Again, not a sector that does great in high inflationary or recessionary times. So typically the stocks do fall. So this might be one again to watch and see if it continues to pull back. But some of these are getting so cheap, it's just ridiculous. I mean, Best Buy to me was a buy anything under about $75, and at $65, it's really getting cheap. But it continues to fall down, so maybe look for it to continue to drop and see when a good entry point is. If it got below 60, I may actually have to consider looking at this one myself. Again, I'm trying to fill out some other positions right now as they fall down as well, and get to, some of these positions I've got are getting close to 200 shares. Bank of America, I think I'm up over 160. So I'm not looking to add any new positions, but again, these ones are looking very appetizing. And if you don't have anything in the consumer discretionary, Best Buy may be one to look at. 52-week range, a low of $64.31, a high of $141.97. So it is bouncing real close to that 52-week low. Has a market cap of $14.69 billion, a beta of 1.44. So it is pretty volatile, as you can see here. Range throughout the day. Looks like it was actually probably down a little below $64 at one point today. Closed out at $65.24. Has a forward dividend of $3.52 paid on the year. They do pay out quarterly, so divide that by 4. And a very nice dividend yield at 5.24%. So this smashes ordinary inflation. I know we're in high inflationary times, but typically inflation runs between 2 to 3%. So this would be higher than normal inflationary times. Ex-dividend date, the last one was June 13th, so you just missed that one. You would not get the next dividend if you bought today. And Yahoo Finance has a 1-year estimated target stock price of $89.24, so it does speak to some upside price appreciation. Looks like they even were pulling back further in the after hours. So again, might be one to look at and continue to watch and see if it continues to drop down further. Take a look at stockanalysis.com. According to the 33 stock analysts who have taken a look at they are right on the edge of hold and buy. I mean, they're calling it a buy, but really, I mean, you can't get much more between the two. They do have a low estimate of $65.65, which it's currently lower than that right now. So that would, to hit their low, it would actually be a upside of just under 1%. An average stock price estimate of $92.48. That would be a 41.83% upside appreciation. And if it happened to hit their high, $115.50, that would be a 77.13% upside for a boring old dividend stock. Best Buy, like I said, consumer discretionary typically is one that will get pretty cheap in high inflationary times. Maybe one to watch for continued pullback, but again, you never know. It could rebound and rally tomorrow. So if you're looking for something in the consumer discretionary sector, there are definitely worse options out there. Best Buy is looking very attractive right now. I would say to continue to watch it. It's on my watch list. I am building out some other positions currently, but this one is one, especially with a yield over 5%, that I do like. Well, that's the end of this one, guys. Again, these are quick hitters trying to find value in this market. Crazy market, up one day, red the next. Pretty red today overall. It's just been pretty volatile and pretty crazy. So stick with it. Keep investing. Don't get shaken out of the market. You know, fear is the best time to buy. When Warren Buffett often says, be greedy when others are fearful and be fearful when others are greedy. So you probably should have been buying some stocks that others weren't buying last year. You know, oil and gas stocks like I was, and staying away from the high flying, you know, meme stocks and what everyone was talking about, the Teslas, the Apples, everything that was climbing, you know, 10, 15, 20% a month, it seems like. Those are great in when the Fed's pumping out money and whenever interest rates are real low. But times like this, you want to find value and really know what you're looking at. There's a lot of money can be made right now. The next millionaires are being made right now. So continue to dollar cost average into these stocks over time, and you will be better off than 90%, probably a little higher than 90% of the majority of folks out there. With that said, always appreciate you stopping by. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to show me some love. Hit the thumbs up button, ring the notification bell, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of Best Buy. Let me know what you think about the market. I know it's pretty crazy right now. I do personally read and respond to all the comments. I'm interested to read your questions, opinions, suggestions for future topics, or constructive criticism. Drop them down below as well. And this is Shane signing off, wishing peace and prosperity to you and yours. And remember, financial security comes to those who take a vested interest. Hey, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for stopping by. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I am only sharing my opinion and investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing involves risk. You can lose money and should never invest any amount not comfortable losing. Always do your own research and invest based on your situation, circumstances, and select criteria, or seek the advice and counsel of a certified financial advisor.